Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix HeyGen login issues in 2026. So if you can't sign in, password is not working, or the page keeps loading forever, yeah, this beginner troubleshooting guide will help you step by step. First, check your internet connection. So a weak or unstable network can stop you from logging in properly. Next, refresh the login page or restart your browser. This fixes most temporary login glitches. So yeah, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted stored data can block login sessions from working properly. Now try incognito mode or switch to another browser. Sometimes extensions or saved sessions cause login conflicts. So yeah, make sure your email and password are correct. If needed, use the forgot password option to reset it. Next, disable ad blockers or browser extensions. These can block login scripts and prevent access. So yeah, check if HeyGen is down. Sometimes login issues happen because the platform itself is having an outage. Now reset your password if you still can't log in. This fixes account-related authentication problems. Finally, if nothing works, contact HeyGen support. They can check your account and fix deeper login issues. And that's how to fix HeyGen login issues in 2026. Once you follow these steps, most sign-in problems can be solved quickly. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more tutorials.